So friends, whenever you are trying to call, this option used to come. To make a call, you need to activate the SIM card. You have insert your SIM card, but network is not coming and you can't call. Okay, whenever you trying to call, this option used to come. So how to remove these options and how can you can activate your call, incoming call and outgoing call. Okay, so to activate this one, friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, the first thing is that here just click on this call option. After that, here you have to click on the setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, friends, here you can see the call setting options, same one, disable options. Here click on same one, and here the first option you can see enable. Okay, so here just click on enable. After that, here it's enabling. Okay, and here you can see same name, same number, data rotating. This all option will activate right now. Okay, see here this message has came. Okay, it says the Geo network, it's activate right now because I insert my Geo network. So right now you can call anyone, to your friends, to your family. You can see here I call, so it's working. Okay, so that's the way how you can activate your SIM card, or you can solve your problem, the network problem or incoming call, outgoing call problem and SIM card problem. Okay, that's the way how you can solve. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.